Accountable. It means being responsible for your action. Teachers are accountable for the progress of their students. Employees are accountable for meeting their deadlines. Companies are accountable for the quality of their products. Addictive. If something is addictive, it's hard to stop doing. Social media platforms can be highly addictive. Many people find video games to be addictive. Sugar is known to be an addictive substance. Agenda. Agenda is a goal or plan that guides someone's behavior. She always plans her day according to a strict agenda. He came to the meeting with a clear agenda for negotiation. The politician was accused of having a hidden agenda. Next one is coin. Coin is to create a new word or phrase that other people begin to use. She coined the phrase selfie to describe taking a photo of oneself. The marketing team coined the slogan for the new product. He coined the term gig economy to refer to freelance work. Correlate. It means having a close connection to something. The study aims to correlate diet and health outcomes. The data correlates well with the previous findings. There is a strong correlate between exercise and mental well-being.